Hi, welcome to Math Today. So yesterday we learned some quick tricks for multiplying by fours and multiplying by sixes. Today we're going to learn some quick trips. It's like Dr. Seuss. Quick tricks for multiplying by 8 and 9. All right, so first we're going to start with eights. So this name I did not come up with. Mr. B did not come up with. It gets kind of confusing. But for multiplying by eights, we're going to double, double, double. So just like we did with fours where we double, double, eights we just add one more double. And again, I can kind of show you what that's like. So if we start off with one group of four here, so this is our 8 by 4 area. If we start off with one group of 4, we have 4 total here. But we need to double that. So here's our first double, and that's 2. And we know that that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That's a total of 8 in here. Now we double it again for a whole big thing here. And that's another 2. And that's 16 total now, or 4 by 4 is 16. And then we can double that again. So now this big chunk is 16 because it's another 4. It's a little bit messy on here when we do it with the area model. And 16 plus 16 is 32. Sorry, I forgot to tell you that. 16 plus 16 is 32. It does not look as good when you do it with the area model, but where it does show up well is when we do it with the ratio table. So remember, one group of 4 that we showed up here is 4. So now we need to do our first double. I double 1 and I double 4 for 8. Now we do our next double. I double 2 to 4 and I double 8. So 8 plus 8 is 16. And now we do our last double. And we do 8 because 4 plus 4 is 8. And now I need double 16, and we already did the math down here. 6 plus 6 is 2. Put that 10 up there, and we get 32. So double the double the double doesn't look as good with the area model. You can use it though, but it looks a lot better with a ratio table. So that is a quicker way to find eights. Double, double, double. All right, let's look at nines real quick. Nines actually has a name that makes sense to me a little bit. So let's say we had the problem 9 times 6. We're going to do it, it's called 10 minus 1. That's going to help us figure out all nines. And this is really simple. Let's say we have our ratio table right here, and it's 9 and 6. I'm not going to actually draw it out, so it's more like an area model. Well, I know that 10 times 6, and I need to add that little extra one, is 60. So this whole thing right here is 60, but I need to take away one group of 6. So I would do 60 minus 6 equals, because this is a group of 6 down here, 60 minus 6 equals, can't do here, so I have to borrow from this one. That turns into a 5. And it's a 10. Now 10 minus 6, because I have 10s in the ones. 10 minus 6 is 4. 5 minus 0 is 54. 54. Again, this shows up pretty well on a ratio table. So if I have my ratio table, we all know that one group of 6 is 6. It's easy to just add 10 groups, so I add a 0 here, and you kind of just add a 0 here when you're multiplying by 10. So 10 groups of 6 is 60. And now we just take away this one group again. So I'd go 9, and we're going to take away, I took away 1 here, so I need to take away 6, because remember, this is groups of 6. So I need to take away 6 here, and that gets us 54. A lot of the times you guys do this for nines already. You do it in your head. I see a lot of you, I go, 9 times 7, you guys goes, well, I know that 10 times 7 is 70, and I need to take away one group or 7. So I count backwards, and that gets you 63. You guys do this already a lot. This is just showing you on paper. So remember, today we learned if you need help multiplying by 8s, you double the double the double. It looks a lot better with ratio tables. And then we learned for 9s, you just do times 10 and then minus one, not 1, but one group of whatever number you are multiplying by. So we did minus one group of 6. All right, hopefully this helps out. Tomorrow we're going to work on a little bit different thing. We're going to work on multiplicative. Mr. B can never say it. Sorry, let me rewind that. Today we're going to practice this in whole group if you need some more practice, and you'll have some independent practice to do it with as well. Tomorrow we're going to be doing a little bit something different, so if you're getting bored of this, we're getting ready for a change for you, and I will see you in whole group. Bye.